Hi friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here come with a new excited video. In this video show you how to reduce unnecessary posts video in news feed of Facebook. While scroll down Facebook post a lot of news feed received showing sometimes unappropriated data videos. Before starting the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video. Open Facebook app. Click on three bars. Go to Setting and Privacy. Setting. In Preferences, see News Feed. Click on Reduce. Click on Sensitive Content. Click on Reduce More. Now you will show less content. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Thanks for watching the video.